YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. We're doing some sausage jambalaya. So I got some spicy sausage in this here skillet, and I got my stove turned up to medium-high heat. I want to go ahead and brown these sausages, and I'm jumping straight into this here video because I'm telling you guys right now, you're gonna love this here recipe. So right now, I just want to brown these sausages up, and if you try this recipe, I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So with our sausages being browned up, I want to go ahead and start moving things around, get them browned up just a little bit more. Once they're browned up, we're going to take them out of the skillet. And don't go nowhere because I got a bonus recipe for you at the end. All right, so stay tuned, family. So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to turn our heat down a little bit. Just go down one notch, whatever the case may be on your stove. And then we're going to add in the trinity, which is the onions, the bell peppers, and the celery. So I have one onion that I chopped up, and I have 2 stalks of celery that I chopped up, and I have 1 green bell pepper that I chopped up. I did not clean the pan. All right. So if you can, after you done took out your sausages, do not clean that pan. And I just want to brown up these here sausages, onions, and celery. And right now I want to take some of this here minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, you could use fresh garlic as well. There's nothing wrong with this minced garlic. I want to take 2 tablespoons of this here garlic and add it to the vegetables, and I want to go ahead and just cook these down for at least about a good second. We're not going to do cook this long. We just want to cook it for a little second or two, and then what I'm going to do after that, I want you to go ahead and get you some chicken broth, a full container of chicken broth, and add the chicken broth to the container, to the skillet. Yes, sir. We're adding flavor, mad flavor, to this here recipe. Y'all seen that container. This is my roux. We're about to throw some roux up in this here, baby. All right, so I'm going to definitely give y'all the next video showing you how I make this here roux. All right, so you're going to need 2 tablespoons of this here roux. All right, and if y'all guys have never tried this type of roux before, y'all hear when I say roux, R-O-U-X, that's what we've got. We got some of this here roux we're putting into our jambalaya. All right, and this is going to give it a nice color. Not only is it going to give it a nice color, it's going to give it a deep, rich flavor. And I'm talking about, man, a flavor that's going to take you out of here, because when people taste this right here, man, taste your jambalaya, they're going to be like, man, this really comes from New Orleans. But I'm telling you, this is going to be an easy preparation. So my next video will be me showing you guys how to make that roux. So now I got me some of this here chopped up jalapenos. I want to take 1 big heaping tablespoon and add that to the mixture as well. Now we're about to impart the flavors in this here, y'all. People gonna lose their mind when they taste this here. So we got some coarse black pepper that we're adding in. This is about a teaspoon of course black pepper. Then I have some of the Spain spices, sweet basil. I love this here, you know what I'm saying, sweet basil. So we're adding in about a teaspoon of that. Then I got some garlic jalapeno seasoning, that Weber's, adding about a teaspoon of that. Then I got some parsley flakes that I'm adding in, and then I have some of this Spain spices all-in-one seasoning, adding in about a teaspoon of that. Then I have some of this here Louisiana Cajun seasoning, add about a teaspoon of that. You don't have to worry about your salt content because this is not going to be salty at all. Then I have some Nora's tomato flavoring. I like this here because it gives us a little bit of that tomato flavor as well. Then I have some of this here yummy, a taste of New Orleans blackened seasoning. You guys need to check these people out, so I'm going to definitely leave a link below for you to try them. And then I have some of y'all got to know this is my all-time favorite. This is my all-time favorite, that Nora's chicken seasoning. Yes, sir. This mug right here will flavor up anything. All right, so you could definitely take 1 tablespoon of that and add it to the mix. And what we're going to do next, y'all, Huh? Can y'all smell this right now? Can y'all smell it? We just gonna incorporate everything, mix everything around right now. I want you to take a look at this right here, y'all. Look at this. This is gonna be some good tasting jambalaya, y'all. Ooh, if you never had good tasting jambalaya before, this is what you need to do. Look at that, what that roux has done for this right here. Gave it a nice color and the flavor. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So we're going to move over to the next step. This is what I want you to do now. I want you to go ahead and turn your stove down, turn it down to low. All right. Just to low. And then I want you to go ahead, man, and just let this simmer just a little bit on low. Then I want you to take at least around 2 tablespoons of butter and add it to it. 2 tablespoons of butter. All right. Once your butter is added in, now I want you to go ahead, man, and get those smoked sausages that you have browned up. And I know somebody went in there and started eating up those smoked sausages before you can even add them to the recipe. Don't feel bad because I've done the same thing myself. All right. So go ahead and take your smoked sausages and add it to the skillet. All right. We want to impart that smoked sausage flavor into these here juices. My God, we're doing something here, y'all. This is that smoked sausage jambalaya. You know what I'm saying? We don't have shrimp in this. We don't have chicken in this. We don't have crab meat. It's just smoked sausage, but it's going to be good. I'm telling you right now. So we're going to mix all of this together, y'all, and let it simmer for a little bit. Now let's go ahead and start making us some rice. You can fix your rice up however you want. So the first thing I'm going to do, I got 2 cups of rice. I'm going to use 3 cups, but I'm showing you what is on my measuring cup right now. So I'm going to fill this up with 2 cups of rice, and I'm using a large microwavable bowl. You can cook yours on top of the stove in a rice cooker, whatever floats your boat, but I want mine done quick, y'all. So I got 2 cups of rice going in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm also going to measure another cup. I'm going to measure 1 more cup that would give me a total of 3 cups of rice, and I'm adding it to this here large microwavable bowl. Yes, Lord, because we feeding some people, y'all. We feeding some people. They eating good today. They eating real good today. So that's 3 cups of rice in my large microwavable bowl, and I love this here Uncle Ben's. If you never tried Uncle Ben's original, you are slipping. Go get you some Uncle Ben's. Jasmine rice will work as well with this recipe as well. So now what I want to do is I want to take 3 full cups of this, which is 2 cups. So you want to do 1 cup of rice to 2 parts water. So this is what I'm doing. That's 1 cup going in. I'm sorry, that's 2 cups going in, and that's another 2 cups going in. That's another 2 cups of water going in, which give you a total of 6 cups of water. Now I'm taking in, I want to add in 2 tablespoons of this here butter in my rice, because I like my rice seasoned up, y'all. I just have this thing to where if I'm going to cook rice, I want it to be seasoned up with something. So I'm going to add me some 2 tablespoons of butter. Then I have some of this here garlic pepper blend, this Lowry garlic pepper blend. I want to add in just a little bit of that. You know what I'm saying? You want to go until your ancestors say stop. Then I want to add in some of this coarse brown black pepper. Go until your ancestors say stop. And then I want to top it off with some of this here Spain spicy sweet basil. Go until your ancestors say stop. So after we've added in these seasonings, I want you to go ahead and go to that microwave. Yes, we're cooking rice in the microwave. I do this all the time when I'm cooking rice, y'all, in the microwave, because I want it done real quick. So place your microwavable bowl with the rice in the microwave, and I'm going to set this to 15 minutes, all right? I want this to be at 15 minutes, and I'm going to let it cook. And then once the 15 minutes is up, if I need an additional cook time, I'll adjust the cook time to at least 1 minute. I'm sorry, at least to 10 minutes, okay? So now what I've done, I cooked it to 15 minutes. Now I adjusted it again to let it cook for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, it's gonna stop cooking and it's gonna be ready. So this is what we have now. We have our rice done and our sausage with the sauces done. And all we have to do now, man, is just put these things together. And I'm telling you right now, I wish you guys could just smell it, and I wish you could just taste this. Oh my God. Oh my God. It'll have you doing cartwheels in the kitchen. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna lie to have you doing cartwheels in the kitchen. So I want you to go ahead and fluff out your rice, put all your seasonings together in that rice. Everything is gonna be flavorful. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be flavorful. Now I want you to take your rice and just add it back to your skillet. All right? Add it back to the skillet. YouTube family, we ain't working with no bland food right here. Everything in this here skillet got flavor all the way down to the rice, y'all. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and mix everything together. You understand what I'm saying? We just want to mix it all up. And I just want you to let it simmer on low heat for at least around about 5 minutes. Okay, so we just want to tighten up our rice just a little bit. After the 5 minutes is up, we want to go ahead and toss this baby into a pan, because we're going to serve this up, y'all. People going to love this. Once they put their mouth on that rice, they're going to be like, good God Almighty, who did this here? Who put this together? And the question is, the answer to that question is you. You put this together. You understand what I'm saying? It's going to be good, y'all. Don't go nowhere. I got something that you're going to like at the end. There's a bonus to this here. There's a bonus recipe. Don't go nowhere. Okay, y'all, this that bonus recipe I was telling y'all about right here. We're going to do some fried chicken. I know some people say black people love some fried chicken. Not just black people love fried chicken. Everybody love fried chicken. I don't know about y'all, but I want my fried chicken. Don't touch my fried chicken. But anyway, man, this is what I've got. I got some all-purpose flour in a container, and I'm using some of this here Louisiana chicken fried. This is going to give it a little bit more flavor. I'm adding flavor to this here fried chicken, y'all. I'm telling you right now. Then what I'm going to end up doing once I throw in this here Louisiana chicken fry in, I'm going to put in some of my all-time favorite. Yes, Lord, that's that Moss chicken breading batter mix. And this is like a local breader from North Carolina. I love this here stuff. It's already seasoned. So you don't have to put no seasoning in your flour at all. Trust and believe me. Then I want to go ahead and add just in a little bit of this here cornstarch. This is going to help us keep that chicken crispy. You feel me, when frying it. So I want to mix all of this here together. Now, I'm working with chicken legs. What I did to these here chicken legs, I went and I took 3 eggs and I beat the eggs together, and I season the eggs up with some hot sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, some other seasonings in the cabinets. You could just follow my step, y'all, and I guarantee you this will be a no-fail chicken recipe. So I took 3 eggs and I seasoned it up with all of my favorites that I like getting up out of the cabinets, which was some hot sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, along with that with some other seasonings. But one of the things that I do tell you to put in this here is some parsley. Put a lot of parsley flakes in that egg mixture. Then once you've got your egg mixture set up, I want you to go ahead, man, and put your chicken in and coat it real well in the egg mixture. Let it sit on the counter for at least around about 35 minutes. Yes, I said 35 minutes. Now I got me some hot grease that I'm testing right now. See, is it ready? It's not ready. But what you see here floating in that grease is some onions. Onions gonna give me some flavor to this here grease, y'all. I'm telling you. Throw you some onions in your grease whenever you get ready to fry some chicken, pork chops, or whatever it is. It's gonna give you a killer flavor. And you could throw in some more herbs, fresh herbs if you want, so you can get a nice flavor to your grease. Now, testing the temperature again is right now is at 345 degrees, so we got 5 more degrees to go before we cook it. I want this to reach 350 degrees. So now we're at that temperature of 350 degrees. I want y'all to go ahead, man, and take that chicken and put it right on up in that grease. Yes, Lord. And I do have a fried chicken video, man, if y'all want to check out my fried chicken video, and I'm going to leave a link to it right at the end of this here video so you can see exactly what I was talking about dealing with that egg wash. You understand what I'm saying? If you try this recipe, I guarantee you'll try it over and 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 over again. I love this here recipe, y'all. So now, we're taking in that fried chicken, getting them legs put on up in there. I like cooking my legs for at least around about 15 minutes. These were some giant legs that came from Walmart. Walmart, y'all need to be ashamed of yourself, giving us some daggone pterodactyl legs to fry. So I had to definitely make sure, man, that I overcook these legs, because y'all, if y'all don't know, them big thick legs, man, don't never cook down. So I gave them about 15 minutes to cook. And the internal temp, what I was targeting for was like 165 degrees, but I was hoping that I can get anything over 165, which was okay. Then I know that the chicken legs were done from skin all the way to the bone. Now look at this here chicken, y'all. Doesn't look so good. It looks good, y'all. This that bonus I wanted to give you right here, that bonus recipe. Fry you some chicken. Somebody say, hey, I can't fry no chicken. I don't know how to fry no chicken. But let me show you. Let me show you how to fry some of the best chicken in the whole wide world. Sound like Philly Boy J Nona. But let me show you how to cook some of the best fried chicken that you could possibly put your mouth on. And I mean golden brown fried chicken too, y'all. How many pieces did I put in this here pot? Shout out to my man Gerard Oates. He the one that created this here chicken fry for me, man. It's a double chicken fry, and that sucker is bad. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. He's fixing me a pig cooker as well. But look here, y'all. Look at how golden that chicken look. Look here. So the temperature, internal temperature of one of these pieces, it reads at what? What's that? That's about 190 some degrees. Oh, she done. Oh, she done. Oh, she done. She done. Them big gigantic pterodactyl legs are done. I'm telling you right now, y'all. Yes. Fried chicken. This that bonus recipe I was telling y'all about right now, man. All right. Thank y'all so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I love y'all, man. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment. Don't go nowhere. Please don't go nowhere. How that chicken taste, bro?
Chicken so good, make you want to smack your mama. Fresh out the grease, too. Fresh out the grease. Mac and cheese, meatloaf, oxtail, cornbread, collard greens, jambalaya, fat back meat, mac and cheese, and it was a fried chicken ball for.
Thank y'all so much for watching this here video. Also, please watch these videos as well. And if you want to know how I fried that fried chicken with that egg washed batter, check out this here video. Give this video a thumbs up. Love and not hate. Love somebody. And please hate nobody. Love you guys. Peace.